Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to use Too Good To Go to save surplus food. So first, download the Too Good To Go app and create an account. Then from there, enter your location so the app can show participating businesses nearby. Now browse the available food offers and check the pickup time and location. Now choose an offer that interests you and review the details before placing your order. After that, complete the payment through the app, and when it's time to collect your order, go to the business during the specified pickup window. Now follow the instruction in the app to collect your food, and keep in mind that the exact food you receive can vary because these offers are generally based on surplus food available at the business. So that was how to use Too Good To Go to save money and help reduce food waste. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.